Hey guys, in previous video we see that how does a WordPress handles a multi-language website, and we've learned that WordPress by default does not support a multi-language option. But in this video we are going to see that how we can achieve our objective using a plugin. So firstly, let's go to dashboard and look for a plugin for multi-language website. Now, I've already tried it once and let's see that what plugin we should use. So once we are on our plugin gallery, let's search for multi, multi-language. Now, a great plugin is G-Translate that I used previously. Alright, here's the it has good reviews and activation, so I'm going to use it. I already have it and I'm going to activate it. Now since I've activated the G Translate, let's look that where I can find that option. It's not here. Alright, when I hover over settings, I get an option of G Translate. Let's click on it and review the settings. The widget look is selected to float. Alright, I get an option to edit it as well, like nice drop down. Alright, it's a good thing, but we are going to keep it default. These settings are for paid native language names. Alright, so these are the language selection that I can choose, and it gives me a really good variety of languages. Alright, I'm just going to remove most of the languages because I do not want to populate it that much, and let's save changes. Now let's go to templates and click on theme builder. What I'm going to do is I'm going to my header and I'm going to add this particular widget into it so that I can access it in all my pages. And with that, I won't have to just go on each and every page and edit this particular functionality. So let's click on edit, and alright, here we are on a canvas, and let's see that what functionality I provided before. And I guess occupying 80%, 10%, I have 10% of left. Alright, so let's do one thing. I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to put it here and remove this. Now let's go to the bottom, and when you hover over WordPress, you will get an option of G Translate. Let's look for it. Alright, here we are, the G Translate. I'm just going to drag and drop it to the header. Where did I drop it? Alright, let's open the navigator and see. Alright, here we are. Let's click drop it here. Let's give it a title of select language. Alright, it's going to be long, so let's just give it a language. Do I get to choose the font size? No, maybe I do not. Alright, let's just update it and see how my website looks. So I'm going to back to my home page. Alright, the option to select language is presenting here, and it is currently the France. Alright, let's go and select English so that we can understand it, but design wise it's not looking much good, so I'm just going to remove this and let's see what it brings to the table. Refresh. Alright, it looks nice before, so let's select Hindi this time, and alright, it's changed to Hindi. So yeah, I've used it for the research purpose before, but it's really good now. Before the version, they do not have this flag and the hover over effect. It was just a simple drop down, but it is really nice, and it is using the Google Translate to translate all the text on my page. Let's see what happens if I refresh. Yeah, as I said that it is using the Google Translate, so when I refresh it, For a time being it changes to English, or you can say a default. And let's see if I visit another page what it will do. All right, it's still selected to Hindi, so my work is done. And yeah, it is really good. And I would say that you can use it in order to make your website multi. And that's the end of this video. And thank you so much for watching. And I hope this video was really helpful to you. Also, for similar videos, please subscribe to Quick Skills. Thank you so much.